Appetizers are a necessity when entertaining, but when making a menu, there's a few things to consider. Can they be made in advance and simply reheated? Are they easy to serve and eat? And do they taste good as they cool down? These light Gougeres are the perfect appetizer, especially with a delicious artichoke cheese filling, and they're incredibly easy to make. The dough is made on the cooktop by combining water, milk, butter and salt in a saucepan and bringing it to a gentle boil. The flour is added to the hot liquid and the mixture is stirred with a wooden spoon to form a smooth dough that pulls away from the side of the pan. Then you scrape the dough into a bowl and set it aside to cool for a few minutes before beating in the eggs one by one. Then you fold in your filling and your cheese, and when it's combined, transfer the dough to a large pastry bag fitted with a 1/2-inch round tip and pipe tablespoon mounds onto parchment-lined baking trays. Well, some of them got a little bit different sizes. Do your best. When baking multiple trays of appetizers such as Gougeres, using convection or true convection mode will give the best results. In this mode, the heat is generated by the heating elements in the rear of the oven and the heated air is circulated evenly around the oven. This means you won't have to rotate the trays to achieve even results. And for best results, use the same type of pan for both trays. Now, if your oven only has a convection bake mode, you can still achieve even results, but do review the oven user guide if possible for recommendations on rack position to ensure the best results. When baking in convection, we reduce the recipe temperatures by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 4 degrees Celsius. Because convection is the strong driving heat circulating around the oven, reducing the temperature avoids overcooking the edges before the center is set. The timing for items baked in convection, like these Gougeres, will be approximately the same as the traditional recipe. However, when baking in smaller cavity ovens like mine, you may need to shave a little bit of time off. Once you feel comfortable making this easy choux pastry, you can vary the filling or make a sweet version. Think cream puffs, mini eclairs, or a stunning Paris Brest. They're all fabulous treats that can be made with this versatile dough. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.